Okay, here we go. Testing out the Commodore 64. It says it can't find the device for the disk drive, but it is spinning. You can hear it. The disk is spinning in there. The printer does this. I'm sure if it does work, it would need a new ribbon. This is a cartridge loaded. Screen flickers. Wish I could have found a cooler game to test on it. I can erase the things. The tape player tape unit does work. It only connects through this. It doesn't get any power, so that is coming from the computer, so they are connected. And there's the screen flickering. I haven't tested any peripherals. And when I put in to look up the disk drive, it just searches. It keeps doing this for a long time, maybe 5 minutes, and then finally it comes up with a error which I can create by turning off the disk drive. Device not present. So I haven't tested the joysticks, and that's what I know about it.